What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SD Odie, and I'm back again with another video. And today's video is gonna be on the pedal commander. I'm installing the pedal commander on the 2012 Chrysler 300C, the luxury edition, you know, rear wheel drive. Alright, so I seen a couple videos on YouTube. They were talking about the pedal commander, and I really want to see what the hype about. God damn me. I heard that this mother gonna make, you know, cut out all that lag and make it get up a little bit more. So we gonna see. Alright, Street Dweller fam. I ain't even get to introduce y'all to my baby, Snow White. Sitting on the SRT. I don't know if it's the yeah, these 20-inch rims, you know. SRT. I'll let y'all look at it, get a little better view of it. And I put my plate in there. Yeah, I'm already hip. Yeah, she look nice. She a little dirty, but it's all good. But we finna go on here and get into the video installing this pedal commander. Alright, y'all, so don't really pay attention to you know, I gotta clean it, get the baby detailed. But the pedal commander, go. I gotta pull this shit. If I can get this motherfucker off. Oh, here go the thing. Yeah, I'm come right back, y'all. All right, Street Dweller fam. Let's see, I got that shit on, but I've been looking through this shit, man. I don't think they gave me no Velcro or nothing to put my shit up. All right, see this. Yeah, but I'm gonna be right back. Don't pay attention to what's in the car. I'll be right back. Let's go ahead. I got it on Sport 1 for right now. If y'all can see. Sport 1. We're gonna try the Sport 1 first. And then see. We're gonna do Sport Plus next. Or Sport 4. You know what? I'm gonna turn to Sport 4 first. Alright. We ready now. Just already pulling off. Backwards, I can tell. Y'all can download that app to where you ain't really gotta mess with the buttons. I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus. Oh shit. I feel it. Like all fucking breathing. Damn. Hey, don't fucking count. This is it right here, dog. This is it. Turn back around. God damn. I can tell the fucking difference. I can tell the fucking difference, y'all. I can tell the fucking difference. That shit is fucking wild. Like, excuse my language to the viewers, but I haven't even really. I want to go on the highway, open it up. That video is. I'll give y'all that video tomorrow, man. But hey, I just went around my block a couple times. Hey, if y'all haven't got a pedal commander, man, for people who really in tune with cars and really like cars, I recommend a pedal commander. I don't know, man. I'm damn near lost for words, cause hey, I'll probably do a review. I'll probably do a video and a review of my fiance in the car. So if she noticed any difference or not. Probably pull a prank on her and well, nah, she ain't scared of me. She used to me driving fast anyway, no matter what I'm in. But I don't know. Probably go grab one of the homies or something, pull a prank on them, get on the highway, just, you know. But that's it for this video, man. Alright, Street Dweller fam, man. You know, we back at it like a crack at it. Hey, peace.